What's going down, guys? We back with another one. Today I'm gonna be teaching you about Fiverr, a freelance service and a marketplace for your business so that you can make money and also that you can get services that you might need to progress any type of career that you're trying to do and whatever career you're trying to do. These people on Fiverr, they are regular people just like you and me around the world, and they do services for pretty much on the low. Uh, Now this service has different payment methods. It has different services. Well, man, let me just take you in there, and we're gonna talk about it. So let's go to my other screen. So we back in the mix. Now let's go over what this is saying right here, guys. So check this out. Fiverr is an Israeli online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. The CEO, Micah Kaufman, February 1st, 2010, in Israel, founded in 2010. They provide languages in English, Spanish, French, Dutch, Portuguese. Basically, anyone can go on here and get services. And the description for this video that it says is Fiverr freelance services marketplace for businesses. Don't just dream, do freelance services for the lean entrepreneur, improved billing options, VIP customer service, support categories, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, music and audio, video and animation. Now let's go to the site. I'm gonna take you directly to my site, guys, so you guys can see what's going on the other side of this. And as you can hear the background music is AFG Music Volume 1. And me and the homies did this all over. If you guys want to check it out, right here. Now, going back to Fiverr, we're talking about how to progress your business in ways of anything across the board. Now, man, look at all these different things you can get, bro. Logo, brand identity, visual design, web mobile, packaging and labels, game art, print design. You can do any type of anything you want, dude, on here, and they will get it done for you. Digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing. They'll even put you on playlists. So if you're an artist, and that's what I mainly focus on, is pushing an artist, man. And don't get it twisted, I've actually used this site multiple times. Dude, this is my go-to site whenever I need something done in a quick time, and I don't want to have to do it. You know what I'm saying? Look, you can get ads, you can get logo animation, you can get character animation, and they actually have some good stuff on here. Like, dude, crazy. They have voiceovers, mixing and mastering, dude. I'm on here as a freelance servicer for mixing and mastering. You know what I'm saying? There's songwriters, dude. People on here will do DJing. Dude, you can find anything anywhere on here. Like, if you don't know about Fiverr, man, you're tripping. This is the must-have site. Like, dude, they got a mobile app you can download for Android and iPhone, or anywhere you can download it, I'm pretty sure. So I want to take you to my stuff that I've ordered, and you can decide what's good and what's not. You know what I'm saying? You can see the prices that I've paid for it and the quality and all that stuff. So let's go over there to orders. We're gonna go to my profile. SM All For God, man. Let's go to orders. So this is, I don't know what it's saying. Okay, I was selling on that one. Now I found something wrong. That you can't just like go to your orders and like, you can't just go to like a list of what you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? You have to go. So check this out. Look, I ordered this, and its delivery date was this morning at November 19th. I ordered it for $7.61. Originally, the price was $5. And what I ordered was a lyric video. This dude, he does some lyric videos, and they're pretty dope. So I ordered mine. So I ordered mine. As you can see, I put all the lyrics in there. I put the logo, the whatever that case may be, and this is what happened. You can be the judge of how good this is, but trust me, it's pretty much fired. Let's see. Yeah. 119.
Instinct.
105.
Scandy.
25.
I'm down for the rest of my life. I wouldn't change, wouldn't have to think about nothing. You are my king, I'm your soldier. Yeah, I'm your soldier. I'm down for the rest of my life. I wouldn't change, wouldn't have to think about nothing. You are my king, I'm your soldier. Yeah, I'm your soldier. Your word is a lamp to my feet, a light for my path. I'm taking this oath and convert it to the last. I know I suffer much, but please preserve my life, oh Lord God.
So yeah, that's the lyric video for $7. I mean, come on, man, you can't, and you get to talk with these people, you get to do everything with these people. If you guys want to see some more orders, we'll go through some more orders. But like, dude, they have so many different types. Like look how many orders I've done, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can get on blogs, all kinds of things. You can do banners. I created this YouTube banner a long time ago, and let's check it out. So yeah, look, dude, for $7, look, I got 4 different banners for YouTube. We can check them out now. Tell me now. What you guys think? That's professional work, right? Of course, man. Or else I wouldn't have paid for it. You know what I'm saying? And you can see the conversation and all that stuff. Now let's go to. Let's see, what else can we do? Single covers. This is for artists. You know what I'm saying? So let's check it out. If you haven't checked out Fresh, this is a EP I released. Tell me not, man. He took my picture, put it on there. looks absolutely perfect. The background's kind of animated, but you basically get the drift. You know what I'm saying? It's dope. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, and it's actually the size of what really needs to go into it. So, like, as an artist, as an entrepreneur, as anything you want to do in life, look, $7, man, $7. And this is what I got for $7. Yeah, it's just the intro logo. I mean, you can do it yourself. I've done a lot of these things myself, to tell you the truth. Like all my thumbnails on YouTube, a lot of some of the music videos I've done, a lot of the audio spectrums I've done. I'm pretty good with it too, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I sell on this site too. But this is another way you can make money as an artist, as a as you know what I'm saying? And like, dude, this stuff is good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if you're not using Fiverr, bro, as an artist or as a business, dude, you're sleeping, bro. You better get
hearing about the gang life, street life, about the money they make, the late nights, how they sexing in different sections, pushing off the fools when they flexing. Lord, I'ma need a prayer.
Just a little catchy little boom to catch someone's attention, get them in the door to, you know what I'm saying? But like, if you guys want to go more in depth with this, man, we can go to explore, or we could just go home. Let's see what they're talking about on here. You could do drop shipping. Dude, look at this. Songwriters, producers, musicians. These are stuff that I've looked at, like, because I was looking at a bunch of lyric videos because I wanted some lyric videos, but people create music videos like you're not understanding, bro. Like, this stuff is tight, dude. Like, the stuff they do, it's original. For $30, you can get a music video, bro, and using free footage.
Yeah, taking my life, thinking it's right, switching and missing the point to the type, washing the thoughts in the back of my mind.
You see what I'm saying? Like, yeah, this stuff's dope, bro, for sure, for sure.
Telling that I know for a fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm so low. I walk with your photo. Take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back what you came for. Swinging down the waterway. Take a dip in the flash. I come.
So if you definitely, like, there's a standard, a premium, you know what I'm saying? There's different, but most of the time, things are so good that you don't really need, you know, and you get a lot of dope things. Delivery time, you can choose the delivery time. You know what I'm saying? You can do a lot of things. Like, you can go and check out these people's profiles and all this stuff. But not only that, you can go and look at, like, people do, like, writing, translations, ebooks, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles. They brand you, everything, bro. Anything you ever need. I shouldn't even be giving this away to you guys, man. Like, for real, like, anything you need, bro, you can get it on the low at this site. You know what I'm saying? It's not cheating. You're paying for a service. Dude, people need this stuff. If you're not using this, bro, you're drunk, bro. You're drunk. Straight drunk. Cause, like, this right here, man. And you can get other people to do stuff for you too. And the prices range from anything, but you see all the things that they have on here, man. Like, man, y'all better get woke, man. Man, you're not understanding, man. Let's go over here. They do SEO, they do blogs. You want to get on radio stations, you want to get on Spotify playlists, you want to get on anything, bro. Stop paying them people freaking hundreds of dollars, man. I mean, if your music is copyrighted right, and I mean, granted, I paid for a Spotify playlist on this Fiverr, and they put me on there, and, but nothing's ever guaranteed with them. With, you know what I'm saying? Get on a Spotify playlist, bro. So don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, like social media marketing, dude. Look at all this video marketing, bro. Email marketing, bro. Like, dude, I might actually want to buy something right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but definitely check out Fiverr. Crazy, crazy, crazy stuff that you can get from here. Man, they got so much stuff. It's retarded, bro. Anything you could possibly think of, I bet you there's someone on here that does it. Tattoo designs, come on now. That dude will draw up a tattoo design for you. T-shirts. Better get woke, bro. Twitch stores, car wraps. Oh man, logo design. You really wanna progress in your business, and so yeah, man. Like I said, man, Fiverr is the way to go. If you haven't checked out Fiverr, please go and check it out. Man, that's all I can say, man. If you ain't checked out Fiverr, don't sleep on it, man. Click the link in the description. Subscribe for more artist tips and tricks. You already know what it is. If you really want to grow, I can help you do other things too. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes Fiverr ain't always the place to go. But man, if you don't know Fiverr, you definitely sleeping. Definitely sleeping. All right, guys. Peace out. Check out Fiverr. It's the way to go. For real, for real. Have a good day. Late.